Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is October 9th when I'm recording this, and just keep reminding you guys, so they're coming up, and we're pretty excited about all this, but we do have the Orlando Summit. This is going to be just before the money show. This is going to be a Simpler Trading sponsored situation, and then we also have the regular money show that I'm going to be participating in, so yeah, looking forward to seeing everybody out there. Also, sad news as far as the heard about the Israel attack, and so the markets are probably down a little bit based on that. But also, we can look at this from a technical standpoint, and Friday was definitely a short squeeze day, and a lot of times after something like that, you do tend to get a pullback, mostly because this was very extended. So you could see even on Friday, I mean, we just went up and up and up all day, and just it's too much. There's a big gap there. It just went up, and so I was looking for a pullback. Mostly because this thing probably wasn't just ready to keep going up, and so we were up here at that 30 TR. Was a gap off the moving average, that kind of stuff, and so a pullback seemed to be pretty natural. Unfortunately, it's also in line with the news over in Israel. So we'll have to see if the market can kind of shake this off. We've been looking for the market to move up over the course of time, mostly because we've had 2 months of a big pullback, and so we're trying to see if this is actually going to have some legs and can actually stand on its own 2 feet and continue moving up. The internals are still kind of mixed this morning, which makes sense based on the news, and everyone's probably trying to figure out what's going on and that kind of stuff. So do keep in mind with your particular positions, if there's something that just isn't working, then cut it loose. But there are some stocks that are doing well out there. And but right now it's just still not an easy environment. And then we have these call them black swan type news events that can happen when we get a lot of conflict going on out there. So keep an eye on the Israel thing and see if the markets how much they might care about that. All right, guys. Well, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.